Would you believe me if I told you we restored this car in just a week?
Wow.
So we just showed up to pick some vintage tin and things got really cool. Teresa and I are on a completely new tangent and you're gonna love what we're doing. But first of all, it has to include a car. So today's our chance to get another old car. You're really gonna love this. If you're at all a cartoon fan, you're gonna lose your mind, so stick around.
Of all the things out at Ken's in the field, there's one super iconic car that stands out.
If that doesn't make your 8-year-old self absolutely smile, nothing will. It's right in there. It's on the ground. There we go. You're thinking like that? Make it short. God, look at that. Because otherwise, we're not getting any video out of this. Yeah. Doc Hudson coming up. Kick this board over this way. Okay, that should work. Oh man. Wow, is this car cool? Look at this. There's some stuff you just don't see in the movie. Whoa. And it used to be blue, which is rad, hey? Oh yeah, it's fine.
And so, we went about loading it up on the trailer.
Now Teresa can't say I don't ever buy her anything, right?
Absolutely not. Look at that beauty.
Okay.
And then you're going to stand at the top of the hill and watch us come up the hill and drive back.
Keep it running or restart?
I would say just restart once you're up there.
Ken B and Ken had to give us the model of the fabulous Hudson Hornet that he'd been keeping along with the car.
Oh man, you sure you want to give this up?
Well, what good is it if you don't have the car?
Oh, I don't know. Still dreamy. Well, thank you again.
Huh? It's going to a good spot, right?
I think so. I think there's some happiness to be had with that.
Happiness right now.
Glad to be here.
Well, Teresa, what do you think?
I love it. I absolutely love it. It's Doc. It's Doc Hudson. Well, it's a four-door version of Doc Hudson, but I love it. This is perfect. Oh my goodness.
You gonna tell your audience what you're about to do with this car?
We're gonna turn this into Doc Hudson
For why?
because we're building a museum.
We got this car ready for paint. I think the quickest of any car to ever roll into that booth here. And David got to work with the paint gun. Before the paint had even dried, we were already unmasking it. Yes! Okay.
Oh!
Wow.
What do we do about rust falling right onto the paint job? Here it comes.
Because this car sat in a field for so long, there was lots of little critters living in it. One of which was an actual real live hornet. Crawled right out while the car was in the booth with the paint baking.
Go ahead, now peel it back.
That's awesome.
Doc's wheels were already painted red. That was one of the things that we did during the week that we were prepping the car for its paint job. we put Doc's eyes on them. These are vinyl. This car doesn't actually run and drive, so blocking out the windshield is not a bad thing for now. When you're doing vinyl, you want to lay it down kind of like you're making a bed. You pull everything taut as best you can with the backing off, and then you start to work the air bubbles out. It's typically okay if you have clean hands to touch the sticky side of the vinyl. And if you've got curves, you're going to want to kind of stretch it around there. Like I said, imagine a bed sheet. Once in a while you need a little heat just to get things stretched nicely. Don't use too much or you'll burn it, or make it too soft and you'll rip it. We're going to start doing some extra little paint touch-ups with a paintbrush here.
To the right. To the right. To the right. More. One. Two. Good. Just pull up. Now unwind it.
Go straight. Go, oh, you're good. Turn.
Right,
Crank
right,
it.
right, 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 right,
Crank
right,
it.
right.
Crank it. You're good.
Now straight. Straight.
Straight.
Left.
There you go. Blocking out the windshield's not a bad thing for now. Now we're going to put Doc's racing graphics on. First you want to get your reference picture of where they go on the car. You put the graphics all on the car with magnets. You mark kind of where they sit with tape, at least that's how we do it. And then you peel it back and start applying. You want to cut around all the trim. You want to cut the panel gaps and then push the vinyl around the edges of the panels. And then you peel off the pre-mask. And with that, our work was done. We'd given this Hudson Hornet new life.
That's the Hudson Hornet! Bob, Daryl, the Hudson Hornet's back!
Whoa, look, man, it's the Hudson Hornet. Whoa, that man acts so crazy. Call me slick. It surely is.
Now, like I said, it's too bad that this Doc doesn't run and drive, but we've only got so much time in the day, so many days in the week. For now, he'll just sit there and make people smile. Now that the museum's open, every time kids come by, I see them light up when they look at the cars with eyeballs. Although this car was appreciated out at Ken's, it's pretty safe to say that here it's getting the love and attention that it really deserved. Anyways, this project was fun for everybody involved on the team. I think we all look at it and smile every time we walk by. This is just another great example of why you should get out there, get some buddies together, and do something fun with something with four wheels. Canada Day came around, and in our town we have a giant parade. Dad put a trailer behind Mac, put Doc and Mater on it, hand out candy. Would you believe he won best float of the whole Canada Day parade? Please, if you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe, and maybe leave a comment telling us what you appreciated about what we did with this car or what you might have done differently. And don't forget, if you're going hard enough left, you'll find yourself turning right.